This is English shorthand dictation number 16. Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. The appellant had also placed on record a photocopy of the vehicle movement register which was handwritten, but photocopy of the document which contains a resembling number of the vehicle involved was not found admissible and was also not proved by the appellant. Stop. Objection as regards the possession of the vehicle under a contract in the facts and circumstances of the case cannot be disbelieved even if the finding recorded by the tribunal is found to be erroneous. Stop. This court, while exercising the appellate jurisdiction under section 173 of Motor Vehicles Act, is competent to record a finding of fact having regard to the material available on record. Stop. Once possession of the offending vehicle is found to be vested in the appellant on the date of accident and the view taken is supported by the apex court decision rendered in the case of Uttar Pradesh State Road Transport Corporation versus Kusum and others 2010 8 SCC 238, the question that crops up is as to the extent of liability that can be fixed upon the appellant. Stop. From the perusal of agreement, it is further evident that the appellant has secured liability on his part by incorporating an indemnity clause in respect of the negligent acts of the driver plying the vehicle. Stop. Thus, it is open to the appellant to claim from the owner any loss that would arise out of negligent acts of the driver. Stop. All the three investigating officers have duly investigated the case and have recorded statement of various witnesses, including the accused persons, and disclosure made in the statement of all the witnesses and accused persons were duly verified and connected with the incident, which on the whole proves and establishes culpability and involvement of the accused persons in the incident. Stop. Para. Demand for ransom rupees 5 lakh has been specifically proved by the testimony of Shiv Shankar PW1 and Hira Devi PW2, and nothing more than that was required to be proved for offence of demand for ransom. Stop. To say that the demand of ransom was not proved is not correct, and charge made under section 364A IPC is accordingly justified. Stop. Right from the very beginning of the incident on 8/3/1999 and up to the filing of the charge sheet against the accused persons, all the material, circumstances, facts and evidence which was necessary to establish in order to prove guilt of the accused have been consistently established. Stop. Whatever contradictions appear in the testimony of the prosecution witnesses are natural and bound to occur looking to the facts and circumstances of the case, and these contradictions cannot be termed either substantial one or of the nature eroding the foundation of the prosecution case. Stop. The prosecution has also not made any efforts of tracing the victim by taking the accused appellant on police remand. Stop. The prosecution has failed to explain the inordinate delay of around 4 days in lodging FIR. Stop. It has also been contended that as per entries in the family register, the victim was major at the time of incident. Stop. The possibility of eloping of victim in the darkness of night without knowledge of anybody may not be ruled out. Stop. Over.